Welcome to Luxury Living in North Scottsdale. I'm Michael Barr, and I am so excited to introduce you to almost new construction. This property mixes modern design with a Northwest feel, so join me in previewing this one-of-a-kind opportunity. This custom home is located in the exclusive Desert Shadows community and comes with your own private gate and keypad. The Pacific Northwest inspiration can be seen in the walnut garage doors and courtyard trusses. As you enter this 4,300 square foot home, your eye is drawn straight to the backyard, showcasing the 1.5 acre plus property. To the right is the office with a custom studio wall, an additional hideaway feature. The chef's kitchen features a built-in over-under sub-zero fridge and freezer. Wolf 48-inch dual fuel range with 6 burners and an infrared griddle. The primary suite easily fits a king-size bed and sitting area. The primary bath features an 8-foot glass enclosure with his and hers closets that have floor-to-ceiling storage. The enormous back patio has a built-in island with grill and hibachi. New travertine pavers surround everything. Stepping out onto your new artificial lawn, you get full views of Black and Lone Mountains. Overlooking the gas-heated pool is an elevated 785 square foot pool house with 2 fully collapsing doors, a bathroom, and a full kitchen. The 485 square foot casita features a living room, a mini kitchen, bathroom with modern glass shower wall, and enormous bedroom. Finally, we have a fully air-conditioned 5-car tandem garage. Whether you're working from home, making dinner for your family, or just enjoying your property, this is a great place to call home. Thank you for joining me on this tour of this North Scottsdale property. Contact me directly for more information or if you'd like a private tour. Until next time.